What would be a great gift for aspiring hunters? 3 books and a knife. Sportsman's Guide to Game Animals, Leonard Lee Rue III. These are collectible books. All of the information is relevant. It's great. The Art of Hunting Big Game in North America by Jack O'Connor. Hunting Big Game Trophies, a North American Guide by Tom Brakefield. These are all great books, will work out fine, will help people learn, set the basics and foundation for good hunting. And of course, your typical gut hook knife. Now these are something aspiring hunters should appreciate. Wrap them up, put them in a box. Put the knife in there. Go ahead and put some more wrap. Go ahead and secure it. Keep it from bouncing around if you want. Seal up the box, and it should make a very good gift.